Konnichiwa, minasan.
Konbanwa Sensei.
I'm facing the same issue today like I was facing yesterday. And somehow they are not picking up my call. I don't know how will do the session today. Nobody is reverting, nobody is saying anything.
Sensei, is there a way we can write to some email or something and like as a batch individually as well? Will that help?
I don't know. I don't know whom to speak to. I mean, I have been following the exact same steps like they have been telling me, but I'm just not able to share the screen. The classes are getting recorded automatically, but I am not able to share the screen. That's the thing. No. Yeah, Tanu, tell me.
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही ना आज भी।
क्या
स्क्रीन शो का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा आज भी।
क्या बोल रहे हो? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
स्क्रीन शेयर का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा आज भी।
नहीं आ रहा है, आज भी नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, मैंने भी वही चेक किया, मुझे लगा शायद मेरे में ही नहीं आ रहा है। कब तक ठीक होगा ये?
आई डोंट नो कब तक ठीक होगा, होगा भी कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज नोबडी इज गाइडिंग मी, नोबडी इज टेलिंग मी व्हाट टू डू।
तो अपने
आई डोंट नो।
कोऑर्डिनेटर को बोल के देखूं एक बार। कोऑर्डिनेटर को बोल के देखूं एक बार, जो हमारी
अरे मैं
कोऑर्डिनेटर है।
वही उन्हीं उन्हीं के साथ में बात कर रही हूँ, बट कोई जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा है, कोई कॉल्स नहीं ले रहा है।
कौन बनवा सेंटर?
हाय हेलो, कौन बनवा?
Sensei, can we drop an email to the support
सॉरी व्हाट?
team? I guess we can send an email to the support team because if they
आई
are
एम नॉट
not
एबल टू
responding
हियर
on
यू,
call,
आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू। व्हाट?
I said we can send an email to the support team because if they are not responding on
email,
calls,
I don't
maybe
know
they.
if they are going to even answer the emails or no. They never
Sensei,
answer.
our batch number is 312
One second, just
6879.
give me 1 second. I'm just calling them. 1 second, please. I'm sorry. 1 second. Yes, everyone, it's done now. Okay, yes. Okay, is everyone ready?
Hi, Sensei.
Hi, Sanjay.
It's done now. Can everyone hear me?
Hi.
Hi, Sensei.
Okay. So in the last class we did chapter number 4. I'm giving you all like 5 minutes. Please go through the vocabs. If you have any doubts, please ask me anything related to vocabs. Take 5 minutes, everybody. Please go through all the vocabs. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, the query that I have is there is this vocab called yesterday. Yesterday means kino. Kino,
Yeah.
but the spelling has a u after it. So is it kino or is it kino?
No, no, it is not kino. It is kino. Kino. Ooh.
Kino u.
Kino. It is kino.
Kino u.
Yeah, kino.
Kino u. And
Yeah.
and today's kyo. Today is
Kyo.
just kyo, not kyo
Kyo.
u.
Yeah, kyo. Kyo.
Okay,
Yeah.
and I have another query with respect to the verb and the words. Is it okay if I ask now or should I hold on to later?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, so
Uh,
there's this word called kino means yesterday and mashta is past tense. So if I have to say I studied yesterday, is this correct? What I have put in the chat, is this correct? Vatashiva,
Watashi hataraki. No. Watashi wa hataraki. 1 second. Watashi wa hataraki mashita kino. No, this is wrong.
okay.
So your sentence will be Watashi wa kino hataraki mashita. Watashi wa kino.
Vatashiva kino.
So I worked yesterday. So your sentence will
I
be
am
Watashi wa kino.
yesterday.
Sanjay, your
That
voice is breaking.
type
Uh,
on the chat. Yeah.
Clear?
Vatashiva wa kino hataraki
Watashi
mashita.
wa kino
So
hataraki mashita.
so
So I
yes,
worked yesterday.
Sensei, the logic is not clear to me. Why would we put I? Why will kinu come before hataraki?
You want to start your sentence at the beginning, you can start at the beginning also. Yesterday I worked. So kino.
Oh,
Kino
can I
watashi
say
wa
something?
hataraki mashita. But
Sensei, your
Sanjay, your
voice
voice
is
is breaking.
trailing.
but the issue here is hataraki mas is your action verb. Okay, hataraki mas is your action verb. So action verb will not take particle wa. Hence watashi wa. Can you hear me now?
Oh, Sanjay.
Hi, Sensei. Yes, you were sharing the logic that Vata
Yeah. So
Shiva, the particle
so
va.
I am telling you that according to the sentence pattern, you cannot use Vata Shiva Hataraki Mashta. Why? So Vata Shiva Hataraki Mashta becomes I worked. I worked. You
मैम
understand? Tanu, 8 second. Vata Shiva Hataraki Mashta. If I'm using the word Vatashiva Hataraki Mashta, it means I worked. Now, if you want to add, you worked yesterday. So, according to the sentence pattern, it will be Vatashiva Kino Hataraki Mashta. Kino is such a word. Kino is such a word that it will not take any particle after or before the word. Are we clear?
will not take any article after or before, but in this case it's taken before, right? Vata Shiva.
Yeah, it has. Vata Shiva, Kino, Hataraki Mashta, it has taken. But according to you, see, you are telling me that the logic is not sitting, right?
Yes.
You're asking me that the logic is not sitting for the sentence. It will not sit. You are right. It will not sit because Kino, Hataraki, the sentence formation is only wrong here.
Okay.
The
So how
sentence
should?
So sentence either you say you worked or either you
Okay.
say yesterday you worked. So kino watashi wa hataraki mashita. That is one cause where you can add in watashi wa hataraki mashita, or you write watashi wa kino hataraki mashita. I worked yesterday. मैंने yesterday
Okay.
काम किया था.
Okay.
Clear?
And there is no this. There is no this in this situation.
No, this
There's
will
no
only
ending.
come. This कब आता है जब आपके पास noun है. This is your verb, correct?
Verb.
ने
Okay.
हाताराकी मास से हाताराकी माश्ता किया. So this is your verb. Verb will
Okay.
never take this. Only nouns will take this.
So yesterday, today, all of this will come in before the action verb.
No, it depends on your sentence how you are forming it.
Okay.
You
Got it.
आपका doubt clear होगा when we actually solve the chapter today.
Okay. Hi.
Okay?
Arigato.
होगा doubt clear हो जाएगा. Yes तनु.
आज आपने चैट बॉक्स में कुछ लिखा है क्या? मुझे तो मेरे पास चैट बॉक्स शो ही नहीं हो रहा.
आपकी आवाज कट हो रही है. क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे पास चैट बॉक्स शो नहीं हो रहा है.
क्या शो नहीं हो रहा है?
चैट बॉक्स
बाकी सब में तो आ रहा है. आप में कैसे नहीं आ रहा है? बाकी सब में आ रहा है ना?
देखो मैं आपको आपको मैं स्क्रीनशॉट कैसे भेजूं? मेरे पास चैट बॉक्स नहीं आ रहा. जैसे शेयर गायब हो गया ऐसा मेरा चैट बॉक्स
अभी आपका मुझे मेरा मुश्किल से हुआ है. अभी आपका मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूं? इफ एनीबॉडी कैन हेल्प हर.
मैंने बोला है कि ना प्लीज मेरे को चैट बॉक्स का स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो. मैंने ग्रुप पे बोला भी है. देखो मैं
करके आ जाओ एक बार.
मेरा चैट बॉक्स पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
आया अभी?
संजय आपकी वॉइस
हाँ
बहुत कम आ रही है और बहुत अलग सी आ रही है. फील्ड एलसीडी आपकी वॉइस.
लेट मी जस्ट गो टू अ काम प्लेस. वेट ना 1 minute. Wait. The thing is that they have upgraded this Microsoft team. किधर तो कुछ तो किया है. And somehow they have not told the teachers about it. Ignore the chat which just came. Now is it clear?
मेरे पे नहीं शो हो रहा. जैसे शेयर वाला हाइड हो रखा है ना ऐसे ही मेरा चैट बॉक्स हाइड हो रखा है. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. मैं क्या करूं?
आपका चैट बॉक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहा है तनु? आई रियली डोंट नो. आपका चैट
ये
बॉक्स.
देखो मैं ग्रुप पे भेज देती हूँ. सब
आपकी
आपको
वॉइस
बता
अभी भी
देंगे.
नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज is my voice okay with everybody?
ये संजय.
Hi,
Huh?
Sensei. Hi, Sensei.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so let us start with the. 1 second. Let me just start the chapters.
प्लीज मेरे को चैट बॉक्स का स्क्रीनशॉट दे दो कोई भी एक.
रीलॉगिन करके आ जाओ एक बार.
क्या
रीलॉगिन करके आ जाओ एक बार आईडी को.
वही तो किया है तभी तो मुझे पीछे भी छूट गया कि क्या पढ़ाया है. रीलॉगिन के चक्कर में ही तो छूटा है.
Re-login कर लो तनु. We will
कर
wait for
लिया
you for 2
login.
minutes. In
जब
the
आप
time, if anybody
समझा
has any doubts, can ask me any doubts if you guys have.
तो हमने ग्रामर पार्टिकल में ये सेंटेंस में ये रे वाला नहीं करा था शायद कल.
कौन सा वाला?
रे सेंटेंस में रे.
रे?
रा हाय संजय, नहीं रे नहीं, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, नो, नहीं 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 नहीं
Knee, N-I, no? Knee.
नहीं, एनी
ने
नहीं,
ने हाँ ने वो ने इज नॉट योर ग्रामर पैटर्न, वो एक सेंटेंस पैटर्न है.
सेंटेंस, हाय हाय हाय, स्टूडेंट ऑफ असाइन क्लास।
बकवास चल रहा है. स्क्रीन शेयर दिख रही है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
हाय संजय,
Okay. So one by one, keep your pen. Keep your pen. Keep.
हाँ,
रखो वो. Why? 1 second, huh? You can still see the screen, right?
हाय,
Yes.
Huh, perfect. Okay. So yesterday I had told. Uh, 1 second. Change settings. Manage. How to remove this now? Does anyone know this? Privacy. Okay. Okay. Set my status to do not disturb when I'm sharing the screen. No, no need. हाँ. चलो. Okay. Yes. So now, yesterday we did a couple of grammar patterns. Today I'm going to repeat it. Try and understand first. At the end, I will take the questions. Okay. Let me just complete complete everything, and in the end, I will take your class was. Can you guys hear me?
संजय
Yes.
बीच में आपकी वॉइस कट रही है।
हाँ, वो मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. Again and again I'm getting this notification about your status is set to do not disturb. You'll get notification for urgent messages for your priority contact. But why do we have to do this? I did. Optional connecting. Short space. Give it a minute or so. If at all my voice is cut out, okay? Give it a minute or so. Okay. Okay. Odd and even. Can anyone tell me what is odd and what is even minutes? Am I audible or no?
हाय संजय, अभी आपकी वॉइस कटी थी, तब आपने बोला था कुछ, अब दोबारा कट गई।
Oh my god. What is happening? Okay, let me
अब
just
आ
go
रही है।
back and come back again. Let me just go back and come back again, okay? Don't leave anyone. Just let me go back and come back.
Okay. Now am I okay?
Hi.
Perfect. Let us start then. Okay. Yes. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is Karamade? Sorry. I'm sorry. What is minutes? Your odd and even. Yes, Bhavna.
मैम ऑड के लिए फोन और इवन के लिए फोन.
Correct. Correct. Okay, so the first sentence, everybody. So the first sentence, look at the first sentence, page number 32 of your textbook or 54 of your PDF, Renshu
Yon.
8. Ima,
Yonji.
yes, Ima Yonji, go fundes,
Yonji.
4:05. 4:05, 4 hours, 5 minutes, this. Okay, as you can see, we have not used particle near yet. Ni will come below. Abhi humne particle ni, we have not used particle ni. This is a simple sentence stating this is so and so. Abhi itna baja hai. That's it. Right now it is so and so. Are we clear, everybody? Okay, next. Ima. Kuji. Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am, you said Yonji, right? It's Shiji, right?
Yeah. Okay, right. Shichiji go fundes. Yeah. Next. Ima Kuji Handes. 9:30. Han represents 30 minutes, so it is 9:30. Right now it is 9:30. Right now 9:30 hai. Are we clear? The question what you can ask here is Nanji. Ima Nanji deska. If I tell you Ima Nanji deska, what can you tell me about the timings? It is 8:25. So how are you going to tell me the time?
Hachi ji. Hachi ji.
Split
Hachi ji.
25.
Hachi ji ni ju. Hachi
Niju?
ji ni ju roku.
Okay. 6. No problem. Yes.
Kun.
Roku.
Kun.
And it will be fun or pun?
Kun.
Pun. Very good. Yes. Yes, Tanu.
ये वाला टाइम वाला कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आया, एक बार आप बता दोगे? जैसे आपने भी बोला ना 8:25, तो हम कैसे करेंगे 8:25 को क्लैरिफाई?
5 को स्प्लिट नहीं करना है. 5 को स्प्लिट नहीं करना है. 5 स्टैंड अलोन 5 ही है. मैंने बोला अभी 8:26 हुआ है, तो उसने 26, कृष्णा ने 26 को स्प्लिट किया है. ओके?
Can you repeat again? Can you repeat again?
पहले हम 9 को बोलेंगे, 9 का नंबर बोलेंगे, फिर उसके आगे हम जी लगाएंगे, फिर 25 को बोलेंगे, फिर जी लगाएंगे.
नहीं. Kuji Han. This is 9:30. This is 9:30. Kuji Han. This is 9:30. हाँ, Kuji Han is 9:30. 4:05. 4:05. This is Shichiji. Go fun this.
Madam,
Clear,
why?
everybody? हाँ.
आगे वाले के साथ जी लगेगा और पीछे वाले के साथ अकॉर्डिंग टू द फोन या फिर फोन जो भी लगना होगा वो लगेगा.
मिनट्स आपका ऑड या इवन आपको डिसाइड करना है. You have
हाँ,
to decide whether it is odd or even.
हाँ, यू आर राइट. तो जी पीछे तो मिनट वाले के साथ लगेगा.
यहाँ पे जी लगना मैंडेटरी है. You have to put G here because this is hours. G represents
पीछे
hours.
वाले के साथ तो मिनट के हिसाब से वही लग जाएगा, नून और पुन्ना.
Correct.
ठीक है, सॉरी.
Yes. Anyone was talking in between? Yeah. What is the doubt? Somebody was speaking, trying to speak.
Ma'am, Jagmohan.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Nun and kun. I forgot, ma'am.
What?
Nun or kun. Pun. Sorry, I didn't.
He also had same. जो मैंने गलती करी वो भी यही करनी.
Kun and pun. Fun is used for what? Can anyone answer? Fun is used for
Odd number.
Odd number timing. And pun is used for even number timing.
So, madam, FUN, PUN. That in English.
Yeah. FUN, PUN. Fun and pun. Fun and pun.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Kanika?
Sensei, if it is 9:30, then in that case, neither phone nor bun, right? Because it's 0. It's 8:30.
Standalone Han will come. Up is representing Han. Okay?
Han is 3.
No. Pura Han is 3030.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, Megha?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sensei, what is this Ima? Is it?
Ima
I
means
don't know.
now. Vocabs.
Now.
Ima
Okay.
is now. Ima is now.
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 So,
Okay.
Abhi, right now, what is the time? What time is it right now? What is the
Okay.
time now? Okay?
Okay. And
Yes,
the
Tanika?
last.
Sorry?
And this third line, it
Madam, a
says
little
none.
louder, please.
It's the third line. It says none. G dash
Nanji.
dash dash
So,
ka.
Ima nanji desu ka? What is the time right now? Ima nanji desu ka? What
Okay.
is
Okay.
the
So
time
Ima
right
will
now?
come ahead of each line
Yes,
here. Okay.
everywhere this comes. So,
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got
everywhere
it.
this will
Thank you.
come. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Question 2, everybody. Kara Made. Yes, Bhavna?
I read, ma'am.
Let me just explain. Let me explain this chapter. You can do the exercises if you want. Second,
Okay.
Hiru Yasumi wa. Hiru Yasumi wa. Ju ni ji kara ichi ji made desu. What is kara made? From
Kara
and
means
up
From and
till.
until.
Correct. From and up till. So Hiru Yasumi is your
Lunchtime.
lunchtime. So lunchtime is from 12 to 1. 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay. So those who have textbook, circle Kara, circle Made, put an out arrow, right, from up till or up to. This can be with your work also. So Shigoto wa kuji kara goji made des. 9 to 5. I work from 9 till 5. So kuji kara goji made des. Yes, Shibina?
Just in the first one, after we finished QG Han, the sentence below says Nanji ka. So it's not Nanji deska.
It is Nanji deska.
Okay,
It is
so we'll
Nanji
write
deska.
this. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So wherever you see dot, it means that the sentence they have not typed here, but the question
Okay.
remains the same. Everything here, they can just put a dotted line here.
Okay. Okay. Clear. Thank you.
1 second. Everyone. Yes. Next one, Hiru Yasumi wa Ju ni ji han kara ichi ji. Can somebody split 15 for me?
Jugo.
Jugo. Very good. Jugo fun made des. So lunch break is from 12:30 to 1:15. Are we clear, everybody? Kara made. Yes, Tanu?
ये जो डॉट होते हैं इनका क्या मीनिंग होता है पूछना भूल गई
उसका
थी मुझे
कोई
भी
मीनिंग
डाउट
नहीं है. उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. इट मीन्स ये ऊपर का नीचे कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है.
माते देश का
हाँ, yes. Hiru Yasumi wa Nanji kara Nanji made desu ka? What from what time till what time is the lunch break? So whatever is your answer, you can answer it from kara made format. Are we clear with questions 1 and 2, everybody?
Hi.
Perfect. Question 3. Yes, Tanu?
अगर हमें किसी से पूछना होगा व्हाट इज टाइम की औरत तो हम कैसे पूछेंगे
Ima Nanji desu ka? Ima
कीमा
Nanji desu ka? Ha. Okay. Third. Yasumi wa Suyobi desu. Holiday. Suyobi. What is Suyobi?
Wednesday, ma'am.
Wednesday, yes. Yasumi wa Suyobi desu. So holiday is on Wednesday. Yasumi wa do yobi to nichi yobi des. Holiday is on Saturday and Sunday. So can you see this particle to here? Circle that particle, put an out arrow and write and. This to is connecting two nouns.
क्या बताया था आपने, एक बार और बताना. सर्कल फॉर
Particle to connect two nouns.
सेंस आप रिपीट कर सकते हो वाला.
Yeah. So Yasumi wa do yobi to nichi yobi des. Holiday is on Saturday and Sunday. And Sunday. This to is connecting two nouns with regards English meaning and. To ka meaning is and. To ka meaning is and. Used to connect nouns. Yasumi wa nan yobi desu ka? What day is the holiday? Nan yobi. What day? Yobi represents day. Nan yobi. Nan yobi. Yasumi wa nan yobi desu ka? Okay. Fourth. Same. Watashi wa kuji kara goji made hatarakimasu. Here you have seen this. Here you are looking at a verb now. So I am working from 9 to 5. Hatarakimasu, present tense. I am working from 9 to 5. Watashi wa kuji kara goji made hatarakimasu. Watashi wa asa kara ban made hatarakimasu. I am working from asa morning. Asa morning, ban night. So I'm working from morning till night. Hatarakimasu is to work. Watashi wa getsu yobi kara kin yobi made hatarakimasu. Monday to Friday. I am working from Monday till Friday. Yes, Kanika.
Sensor, does the verb come towards the end of the sentence in Japanese?
Yeah, most of the time.
Okay, so that
Most
can
of the time,
not
all the time.
all the time.
Yeah, all the time. Yes.
Okay. Domo, arigato.
Yeah. Fifth, watashi wa mai asa rokuji ni okimasu. Rokuji ni okimasu. Particle ni, everybody. Circle this particle ni, put an out arrow and write. Used for days, month, year, weeks, etc. Okay. The Hindi words, the Hindi meanings for this is per me ko. Per me ko. Okay. Watashi wa mai asa rokuji ni okimasu. I wake up every day at 6 o'clock.
Can you please repeat? What does it mean? Ni particle. What does it mean?
Particle ni. So in a sentence, whenever you have time, days, month, weeks, etc., we'll take particle ni.
Okay.
Yeah. The Hindi meaning for me is per me ko. Per me ko.
Parne ko?
Yeah. You will understand when you actually translate the sentences in Hindi. So if you translate the sentence in Hindi, मैं रोज सुबह 6 को उठता हूँ. को पर मैं को 6 को उठता हूँ.
Oh, okay. 6 बजे को उठता हूँ type.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Watashi wa mai asa shichiji han ni okimasu. I wake up every day at 7:30 in the morning. Every morning. Every morning. Mai asa every morning. Anata wa mai asa nanji ni okimasu ka. If you want to ask somebody a question, what time do you get up every day? So whatever you wish to answer, you can answer. Are we clear with particle ni, everybody?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I do
ma'am.
have one doubt in a fifth sentence of
Yes.
of Nanaji Horn. You use something different word for it, right?
Which one? Which one?
Or the fifth sentence, Watashi wa mai
My
asa
asa. हाँ.
Nanaji Horn. Okimasu. Is it right?
नानाजी. नानजी है वो.
Nanji. Okay.
हाँ.
And I think you use something different for 7, right?
शिची या शिचिजी. शिचिजी. शिचिजी हाँ.
Chichichi.
हाँ.
It's also a 7, right?
शिची is 7. Yeah. 6
Nan,
is roku,
nan
no?
and
No, this
no,
is different. This is nan. This is nan matlab what? What time? G is representing time. So what
correct,
time?
right.
आप कितने बजे रोज उठते हो? कितने बजे? What time?
Got it, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ. Yeah. Yes. Any other doubts? Are we clear with
Ma'am,
particle? Yes.
मैम you said suppose 6G आप लिखा हुआ 6G लिखा हुआ पे 6 o'clock.
हाँ.
How can we
Yeah.
pronounce? थोड़ा सा मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा था मैम इसमें.
6 को कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं?
जी मतलब टाइमिंग के लिए.
6. हाँ. 6 is roku. Roku जीनी ओकिमास. roku.
को
आपको नंबर्स करवाए थे ना, सो उसमें है roku.
ओके.
Yeah. Yeah. Is everyone clear with the numbers? Any doubts, anyone? Because particle ni के आगे भी बहुत usages है, okay? Particle ni
ma'am,
will be. हाँ. Yes. Go ahead.
so 7 also is pronounced as Nana, right?
Yeah. Shichi and Nana.
Chichi
So
and Nana.
Shichi
Got
is
it.
used for timings and Nana all the other numbers.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Courtesy ले लो कुछ. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
सेंसर नहीं पार्टिकल हम हाँ यूज करेंगे जहाँ हमें टाइम बताना हो किसी को
हाँ.
या
So
फिर
यहाँ
जहाँ
पे
पे भी
timings
टाइम
है
का
ना.
यूज हो रहा हो.
So yeah. Here you have timings,
Okay.
no? So 6 को उठता हूँ at
Okay.
6 o'clock. So आगे जाके you are going to see that it will be used as a location of existence also. किसी indirect object के बारे में अगर आपको कुछ बताना है तो भी उस पे आएगा.
Okay.
So basically for three things particle ni is used. One is time, one is location of existence, and referring and a receiver of an action. This all is covered in your आगे के chapter. So right now just understand particle ni का stance clear रखो, timings के लिए आता है. Right now keep your stance very clear with particle ni with regards to time, days, month, years, etc., weeks, etc. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. Yes, Tanu.
आपने तो बताया था कि पार्टिकल यो आता है मिनट के लिए. अच्छा, वो दो नाउन को कनेक्ट करता है.
वो तो है,
Okay.
वो यो नहीं है, वो तो है, तो. TO तो. Okay. I'm assuming everybody has understood. I'm going on to 6th, okay? Now, if you remember, yesterday I told you that these are the words which are very important. The third last paragraph is very important from your tenses point of view, because these words stand alone will determine your tenses. For example, watashi wa mainichi benkyou shimasu. Now we split one word, okay? Watashi, I. Mainichi, every day. Nichi represents day. Mainichi, every day. Benkyou shimasu means to study. So I am studying every day. Can you see यहाँ पे shimasu है? It means it is a present tense. So I am studying every day. Present tense. Present continuous tense. Next. Watashi wa ashita benkyou shimashita. What is ashita?
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Now, like I told you that we have no tense for future. Future tense nahi hai Japan mein, Japanese mein. So we are going to assume that we are going to do tomorrow. I will be studying tomorrow. Can you see studying is coming in your sentence? I will study tomorrow. I will study tomorrow, or I will be studying tomorrow. I will be studying tomorrow. Can you see studying is coming? Hence benkyou shimasu. Watashi wa ashita benkyou shimasu. I will study tomorrow. Okay, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Ha. Third one. Look at the sentence very carefully. Watashi wa kino benkyou shimashita. Kino is what? Yesterday. So
Yesterday.
I studied yesterday. Mashita, past tense. I studied yesterday. Clear, everybody? I studied yesterday.
Sensei, please
Yes.
repeat once again this sentence.
Watashi wa
Watashi wa-
kino benkyou shimashita. I studied yesterday. Why mashita? Because kino is yesterday. Something which you have done yesterday, uska sentence you are framing today. So yesterday you slept. So watashi wa kino. Watashi wa kino ne mashita. I slept yesterday. So this word kino is important. Why? Because this is determining your tense here. Okay?
Hmm.
Yes,
Done.
Tanu?
सॉरी, मेरे को 2 क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं। एक तो मैं भूल गई। अभी आप
क्या बोल
समझा रहे थे।
आपकी आवाज कट रही है। सॉरी, वर्ड।
मैं बोल रही मैं क्वेश्चन ही भूल गई।
ओके, जब याद आएगा तब पूछ लेना वापस।
हाँ, और दूसरा क्वेश्चन मुझे ये पूछना था, जैसे मैं जून में भी N5 नहीं दे रही, तो अगर मैं दिसंबर में N5 और N4 एक साथ दे सकती हूँ?
नहीं, यू कैन गिव ओनली वन पेपर। कैसे
तो
बैठोगे? 9 से 12 N5 भी है और 9 से 12 N4 भी है। हाउ विल यू सिट फॉर 2 पेपर्स एट अ सिंगल टाइम?
तो ऐसे तो बहुत ज्यादा लेट हो जाएगा फिर मुझे।
तो फिर बैठो
अगले
जून में, जुलाई में।
तो लास्ट डेट कब तक की है इसकी फॉर्म फिल करने की? 27 ना?
आई डोंट नो, जब तक सीट्स अवेलेबल रहेगी तब तक। ऑल द सेंटर्स हैव लिमिटेड सीट्स। फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्विस। इफ यू विश टू अप्लाई, यू अप्लाई। और अगर
Sensei-
फेल भी होते हो तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन गिव अगेन। ऐसा थोड़ी है कि एक ही अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हो। यू कैन गिव n नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स यू वांट। आई गिव n3 ट्वाइस, तब जाके सेकंड में क्लियर हुआ। यस कनिका?
Sensei, it's possible to straight away give N4, right? Like if you're good with N5, N4, that
You can
works.
directly sit for n1 also if you want.
Ah,
There is no hierarchy. Agar if you want to get settled in Japan, and if you are like with N4 you are going, then you will need a N4 degree in your hand. I mean N4 certificate.
if you have N4, you don't need to sit for N5. If you are good enough to sit directly
No,
for
see,
N4.
nobody's going to ask you. Nobody's going to ask if you are N3. They are straight away going to ask you for N3 certificate. If you are N1, they are going to ask you N2 ka certificate. There are very less candidates who takes N1. Okay, there are very less candidates who sit for N1 because N1 is a trouble. So not majority who are looking for translation jobs, who are looking at a long-term career in Japanese will take N2 and N1. But if you are looking for from your career perspective, as in your company wise, or you are willing to get settled in Japan, N3 is bare minimum that is needed. Then depending on your profile, N2 or N1 is optional.
मैम आपने N2 कितने टाइम में पास किया था?
पूछो मत, मेरे को लगा था एक साल लगा था, 1-1.5 साल लगा था।
मैम फर्स्ट टाइम में क्लियर हो गया?
नहीं, 2 टाइम में भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ, 3rd टाइम पे क्लियर हुआ।
Oh my gosh.
It takes time. See, N5 is your basic level. Let us just concentrate on N5. Okay, everybody. हाँ, एक last sentence बचा है, फिर doubts
तो
पूछो।
N5 में हाँ मैं पूछ रही थी, N5 में ये वाले क्वेश्चंस आते हैं?
Of course आते हैं, तो क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं हम?
N5 भी थोड़ा हार्ड।
What
N5 में
question is this,
पास
Tanu? Of course आते हैं।
नहीं, जैसे आपने उसके लिए बोला था ना, नंबर्स के लिए, काउंटिंग के लिए, कि वो नहीं आते।
नहीं, मैंने बोला था कि आपको एज इन पेपर में नहीं, बट लिसनिंग में आता है, बट आता है। एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग। ओ माय गॉड, एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग। ओके, watashi wa ototoi benkyou shimashita. What is ototoi? Day before yesterday. Again past.
Yesterday.
Yes, again past. So I studied day before yesterday. Are we clear with questions 1 to 6, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes, yes,
Now the last part which we are doing, that is your verbs. Okay, you are changing your verbs to different formats: mas, masen, mashta, masen, deshta. Now if you want, you can simply write here present, negative, past, past negative. Or present affirmative, if somebody is following that rule, you can just write it there. So that when you are reading, it will be easier for you to understand what they have given here. Okay. So nemas present, nemasen negative, nemashta past, nemasen deshta past negative. Yasumimas, yasumimasen, yasumimashta, yasumimasen deshta. Hatarakimas, hatarakimasen, hatarakimashta, hatarakimasen deshta. Present negative, past, past negative. Are we clear with this chapter, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, let us quickly start with the exercises.
Ah.
Yes, okay. Renshu B, page number 33, 55 of your PDF. I want raise your hands and start answering. Okay, if somebody's answer, please don't overlap him or her. Just start answering, because anyway, anyhow, by hook or crook, we have to complete this chapter today. I cannot drag this chapter. We have exactly an hour. We are going to complete this chapter today. So please give me some support me with this thing, and we will have to complete this chapter, because as it is, yesterday 2 hours were wasted with this stupid upgradation which they have done, and today we cannot drag this chapter anymore. Okay, so please support me and let us complete this chapter. I will make sure that you guys are understanding everything side by side. Okay. Yes. So the first one, Renshu B, what are you supposed to do here is you are supposed to look at the photo and you are simply supposed to tell me the timings. Okay. In words. Okay. So first is Sanji Des. So it is 3 o'clock. Sanji Des. Okay. Who can tell me the first one?
I can.
Yes, Gayatri, go ahead.
Chichi ji.
Raise your hand. Okay. हाँ बोलो भावना बोलो Chichi ji.
Chichi ji Handis.
Perfect. Shichiji Handes. Yes, Gayatri, next turn your 12:50. आराम से बोलो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Take your time, understand, and then answer.
Yuni ji.
Correct.
You go Punjas.
Perfect. Next. Come on, quickly. 2:45.
Hi, Sanjay.
Go ahead.
Nobody wants to answer. 12:45 p.m. Come on. Easy
12:45? 2:45, Sanjay.
Sorry, 2:45. Yes, Bhavna. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, I'm just attempting it. It's Neon Go G.
Neon Go G.
Ni ji.
Ni ji.
Ni
हाँ.
ji.
Neon Go
Ni
G.
ji yon.
Ni ji. Yon
Yon
you go.
you 5. Sorry.
Yon
Yon
you
go.
go.
Yon आएगा.
Chichi.
She.
What is C? C?
Shichi.
C go.
See,
She
these
go.
C
She
go.
go
the
Pun.
C you go.
These are the silly
She go.
mistakes which you will do and you will lose your marks. Okay. So please, I can understand we are very enthusiastic in answering, but please don't make any kind of silly mistakes. It will harm you. Correct. And the last one. Kanika, you have a doubt?
Sensei, can you please repeat the correct answer finally?
For which one?
2:45.
Which one? So 12 को split
2:45.
करो ना. 2:45. हाँ, तो 2 को split करो. Sorry. Ni ji and split 45. 4, 10 and 5. So Shichi ji. Sorry. Shichi. हाँ, Shichi. Sorry. She. Ju. Go. Pun or Pun?
Pun.
Pun or Pun?
Pun.
Pun.
Is she correct,
Pun.
everyone?
Pun.
Correct. Pun des. Pun des. Clear? Clear?
Hi.
Hi.
10:20. 10:20. 10:20. Yes,
Ju.
Krishna, go ahead.
जूजी नीजू पुन
Fun or pun?
Yes.
Pun.
Pun.
Correct. Pun des.
Pun.
Don't forget this, huh?
Right.
Correct. Question 2. Now, you have to look at the photos here. You have to look at the country name here in the photo given below. And you have to answer. Now, here the only difference is here we were not writing AM or PM. Here we are going to write. Now, you guys know that after 12 PM hota hai, right? So, in English, so like in the English timings, we say like 11, 12, 13, 14. That is like converted in again one digit. I hope everybody know that rule. Nobody knows this.
I think I know.
Do we know or we don't know?
The railway station time.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows this, right? After 12 PM ke baad, English wise, 2 digits use hota hai, like 11, sorry,
Correct.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But again, it is
Yes, ma'am.
converted into a single digit. We know that, right? Because here 3 timings, जो 3 timings दिया है, 7, 16, 17 and 18, that is supposed to be converted into single timing. So 16 will be what? 4 o'clock. 17 will be what? 5 o'clock. And 18 will be 6 o'clock. So ultimately you are supposed to put it in the PM में डालना है. PM will come instead of AM. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. So the first one, Tokyo. So this is Tokyo. So Tokyo wa ima nanji desu ka? You have to form the question and you have to write the answer. Tokyo wa ima nanji desu ka? Gogo PM. PM है, so gogo rokuji desu. 18 को 6 किया है. Gogo rokuji desu. Okay. Now for a few, I want the question remains the same. Only the country name changes. Timings I want. Chalo. First is Pekin. Pekin. So Pekin wa ima nanji desu ka? So it will be what?
Coco Goji desu.
Watch this.
Perfect. Next. Sankoku. No, this is not Sankoku.
Bankoku. Bankoke. Koku, sorry.
What is this? Correct बोलो क्या है? अभी तो हिनागाना आना चाहिए. ये कान नहीं है, ये कान नहीं है.
मैम ये बान है, बानकोकू.
हाँ, Bankoku. Correct. Bangkok. So Bangkoku wa ima nanji desu ka? So where is Bangkok?
In China, China is down, madam. Southwest.
This is Bangkok. We are interested in this time. So ये क्या है time?
Shiji.
Shiji desu. So gogo Shiji desu. Very good. Then we have
मैम
मैम
15
AM और PM के लिए दोनों में गोगो ही लगेगा. भूल गया.
PM है ना ये?
No,
This is PM
madam,
no?
मैम बैंकॉक का टाइम
16
बैंकॉक का
है
टाइम
ना?
16 है.
हाँ तो 4 no? 4 हुआ ना ये?
अच्छा ओके.
Yeah. Rondon, London. So Rondon wa ima nanji desu ka?
Koichiro.
Gozen kuji desu. Gozen kuji desu. Then Rosan Zeresu, Los Angeles. Rosen Zeresu. Wa ima nanji desu ka?
गोगो इची जी.
मैम इसमें
गोगो
बस
इची जी
AM और PM लगाना है.
Correct. ये गोगो नहीं आएगा. This is single digit. सुबह के 1 बजे. तो Gozen will come.
Gozen Ichigo.
Gozen Ichiji desu. Got it?
ओके.
Third. हाँ यस तनु।
इसमें बस AM और PM लगाना है ना?
हाँ और टाइमिंग्स बताने हैं।
सारा वही है तो ना।
हाँ यस।
मैंने काउंटिंग याद नहीं की क्योंकि आपने कहा था आएगी ही नहीं, इस वजह से मैंने वो छोड़
मैंने
दिया,
नहीं
मुझे कुछ
नहीं नहीं
समझ नहीं आ
एक्सक्यूज मी, नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने बोला नहीं था कि आएगा ही नहीं, मैंने बोला लिसनिंग में आएगा, आपने शायद उल्टा सुना था।
मैम बस
शायद
वो
मैंने
आपने
इतना ही
उसके
सुना कि
लिए कहा
आएगा
था।
नहीं, और मैंने याद ही नहीं करा, और मैं
नहीं
बहुत
नहीं
लॉस्ट हूँ।
नहीं
मैम
आएगा
बस
ही
वो
नहीं।
आपने
हाँ
लैक्स और मिलियंस के लिए कहा था बस वो।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली नंबर्स करेंसी के लिए कहा था मैंने, टाइमिंग्स के लिए कभी ऐसा नहीं बोला था, प्लीज ऐसी अफवाह मत फैलाना आइंदा से। क्वेश्चन 3।
अब आए मैंने ये बोला कि हो सकता है मैंने उसके आगे का ना सुना, पर इतना मैंने सुना था आपने बोला था कि नहीं आएगा। अब वो लिसनिंग वाला पार्ट मुझसे मिसिंग हो गया,
हाँ वो
मैंने
आपने
याद ही नहीं
स्किप, जो
किया।
सुनना था वही आपने स्किप कर दिया है। एनीवेज
अभी मैं क्या
गिन क्वेश्चन 3। गिनको बैंक 9 to 3, so गिनको वा नानजी कारा नानजी मादे देस का bank is open from what till what time? So kuji kara sanji made des. Okay, come on quickly. First is Yobin Kyoku. Come on. So Yobin Kyoku wa nanji kara nanji made des ka 9 to 5. Form the answer everybody. Come on,
करा
easy तो है।
गोजी दे
कुजी
गोजी
हान,
माते
कुजी
क्यू
हान करा। हाँ गोजी मादे।
जी कारा
हाँ
सान
हाँ कुजी कारा,
सांजी
कुजी
सॉरी
कारा
सॉरी
सांजी मादे देस।
हाय।
हैंग हो गए हो सब लोग ऐसा लग रहा है।
मैडम बहुत तेज तेज चल रहे हैं तो सॉरी, थोड़ा
तेज तो
दिक्कत आ
होगा
रही है।
ही सर, तेज तो होगा ही because yesterday was a big goof up because I was not able to share the screen. तेज तो होगा ही, I can understand. Let's do one thing. Let's take a break for 5 minutes, everyone. Come back by 9:10. We'll start. It's okay if we cannot complete the chapter. आगे we'll take up the speed. But please hang मत होइए. Go take a break. Come back by 9:10. It's a 10 minutes break. Go take a
हाय
break,
संजय।
everyone.
Yubin Kyoku Kyoku wa Nanji Kara Nanji Made desu ka? 9 QG Kara Goji Made desu. दूसरा क्या लिखा है ये तो ही तो ये क्या है फिर है तोशी तोशो तोशो कान वा नांजी कारा नांजी मादे desu का? तो QG कारा roku जी हान desu. काइशा वा नांजी कारा नांजी मादे desu का? QG जू गो हुन कारा गो जी सी जू शी जू गो मादे desu. ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या? अरे बस आप लोग देखो।
कुछ नहीं होगा। प्रिंस आपका कनेक्शन भी जा रहा है, तो मेरी भी इसलिए लाइन बात कट रही है ना। पढ़ना है, मुझे पढ़ रही हूँ मैं, लाइट बंद कर दो। क्लास कब खत्म है? ये 5 मिनट का ब्रेक दिया है। Okay. Are we ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Question 3 first. Yobin Kyoku 9 to 5. Yobin Kyoku wa Nanji kara Nanji made desu ka?
मैम क्यू जी
हाँ.
कारा गोजी
Correct.
जी
Kuji kara. हाँ.
गोजी गोजी
Goji made desu. Pura. Tell the entire sentence. Goji made desu. Perfect. Okay.
you.
Next. Depato. So depato wa Nanji kara Nanji made desu ka? Yes, Tanu.
जू सांजू इन कारा
इसमें
Juji
इसमें
Khan.
एक second. Yes, found. Jagmohan San, continue. Tanu, I'll get back to you.
मैम जू जी सान
नहीं. Ju Ji Han, not San. Han is for 30, no?
ओके मैम
हाँ.
जू
Ju
जी
Ji
हान जी
Han.
जू जी हान जी कारा सांजू सॉरी नाना सांजू
Nana will come.
नाना 7 है मैम 7
Shichi.
प्लीज दे
Shichi will come, no?
अच्छा ओके
Shichi.
मैम
हाँ. Shichi Ji Han.
शिची जी
Des.
शिची जी हान ओके मैम थैंक यू
हाँ. So Han के बाद G नहीं आता है. You don't take G after Han. Han is
Yeah.
30 only, 30 minutes. Han is representing 30 minutes. So you don't have to add on G here. Okay?
ओके मैम
Yeah, perfect. Yes. Haan, Tanu, what
A
was your doubt?
question.
Yeah. Go ahead, Shibina. Yes, go ahead.
So after the Shichi ji Han
हाँ.
Made Des,
हाँ.
you would have Made Des, right? It's not only Des.
No. Made des आएगा. Of course आएगा.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Wait. Okay.
Yes. हाँ, Tanu. Yes, Tanu.
ये ऐसे है ना, पहले तो ये जो कंट्री है सबसे आगे 2 में पहले वो बोलनी है, फिर 10 फिर अप आएगा, फिर 10 30 आएगा, फिर 10 आएगा।
एक मिनट, ये कंट्री नहीं है, ये प्लेस है। डेपाटो, डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर।
अच्छा ओके, तो फिर यहाँ पे
कंट्री यहाँ पे हो गया, कंट्री यहाँ पे हो गया। क्वेश्चन 2, क्वेश्चन 3 में नहीं आता है, नहीं है कंट्री, प्लेस है।
ओके, मैं ही बोल रही हूँ, इसमें पहले 10:30 पहले अप आएगा, फिर 10:30 आएगा, फिर टी आएगा, फिर 7:30 आएगा।
10:30 के बाद आपने क्या बोला?
10:30 से पहले अप आएगा ना, कि 10:30 से लेकर 7:30 तक खुलती है।
हाँ, तो 10:30 कारा, 7:30 मादे। कारा मादे टाइमिंग्स के बाद आता है।
तो मैं मतलब अप जो है, अप जो वर्ड यूज होगा वो 10:30 के बाद यूज होगा या 10:30 के पहले यूज होगा?
बाद में होगा। कारा मादे बाद में है ना। सी लुक एट द एग्जांपल, 9 के बाद कारा आ रहा है ना, 3 के बाद मादे आ रहा है।
10:30 अप, 7:30 टिल।
हाँ, फ्रॉम टिल।
नहीं समझ में आया मुझे। अप भी तो आएगा ना, अप नहीं आएगा, इसमें सिर्फ फ्रॉम आएगा।
डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर कितने बजे से लेके कितने बजे तक चालू है?
वो मैं समझ गई, मैं बोल रही हूँ। तो ये ऐसा आएगा ना, अप 10:30 टिल 7:30, ऐसे ही तो आएगा ना।
वो इंग्लिश में ना, बट जापानीज में टाइमिंग्स के बाद आता है ना। 10:30 बजे से लेके 7:30 बजे तक।
हाँ, तो मतलब इसमें जो यूज होगा अब वो 10:30 के बाद यूज होगा।
हाँ, कारा बाद में आएगा।
10:30 कारा, फिर आएगा 7:30
मादे देस।
ओके, तो बीच में फ्रॉम के लिए तो कुछ अलग से यूज नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं, फ्रॉम है ही नहीं इधर। फ्रॉम मतलब कारा।
ओके, वही मैं सोच रही हूँ।
हाँ, ओके। थर्ड, तोशोकान। व्हाट इज तोशोकान? लाइब्रेरी। हाँ, तोशोकान वा नानजी कारा नानजी मादे देस का? कम ऑन।
QG कारा, QG कारा, roku जी हान मादे दिस।
Perfect, very good. Last one, Kaisha. Kaisha wa nanji kara nanji made desu ka? 9:15 to 5:45.
QG
Yes.
ju go कारा, go जी सी जू go मादे दिस।
I have a question. You would not put any pun or nothing here?
No, not here. Not required. Not required.
So when is it that it would be required and when is it not required?
They will tell you when it is required. They will tell you. It is assumed that सुबह से लेके शाम बजे तक, morning till evening or night we are working. It is assumed. So fun is not needed. They will tell you when fun to be added and when not to be added.
Okay, so the question would so every question would have an example in even in the
No,
JLPT
not in the
exam.
exam. Not in the exam. Not in the. They will ask you in such a way that you will automatically understand whether you are supposed to add or no.
Okay.
Yeah. And as it is, you don't have to write anything, no, Shibina. In the paper, you are only supposed
options.
to mark.
So the options would specify that.
Yeah. In the option, they will give you whether it will be gozen, it will be fun pun, go, fun pun. It will be mentioned in your options.
Okay, clear.
Yeah. Okay, fourth. My ban. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, this will be Kaisha Kuchi ni Jugo Kara, right?
Ji. It's
Ni.
Jugo, yeah. Jugo, yes.
Kuji ni Jugo.
Ni by ni is 2, no? 2 thodi hai, 15 hai.
Ichi,
So 10
sorry.
and 5.
Okay, so it'll straight away go up to 10. So Kuji Ju Go. Is it?
No,
Okay.
it will be ni ji, 9 o'clock, ni ji. Then 15 ko split 10 and 5. So ju go. 10 and 5, ju go. Kara.
Ju Go
Goji.
Kara. Goji Shi Ju Go Mada.
Made.
Made.
Shi ju go. Kara. Sorry, Made des. Correct.
Made des. Okay. Hi.
हम शी के बाद भी जी आएगा क्या मिनट्स में?
नहीं, मिनट्स में नहीं आ सकता.
हम अभी यही बोला है ना, शी जी गो मा.
She कब 45 में?
हाय.
No, there will be no minute. G is your hours, no? 5 hours 45 minutes. So hours का इधर क्यों लगेगा? No. I must have not heard it.
Which feeds you, I think the
Yeah,
Ju,
because
not G.
I did put hours there. Go G. So go
हाँ,
G was
correct.
होगा.
So go G correct. Go G is correct. Then split 4, 10 and 5. So
She Ju
ओके.
हाँ,
Go Made.
हाँ, correct. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Perfect.
But the
Yes.
first one, 9-1 will be Kuji, right? 9 o'clock.
हाँ, Kuji, yes. Similar to 5 o'clock, no?
Okay, Kuji Jugo. It'll be 10-5. Not that one is not needed. Okay.
Yeah, Ju go correct.
Okay. Arigato, sensei.
Hi. Okay, question 4th, everybody. My ban Benkyo shimasu 7:30 to 9:30. My ban nanji kara nanji made Benkyo shimasu ka. Every day. What time? From what time till what time you are studying? So 7:30 to 9:30. So shichi ji han 30 han kara. Ku ji han made Benkyo shimasu. Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now I'm asking the question. Raise your hand if you want to answer. So, Mainichi, nanji kara nanji made hatarakimasu ka. Every day, from what time till what time you are working? Yes, Siddesh, go ahead.
Kyoji Hon Kara.
Kuji han
Ku-
kara.
हाँ, Kuji Hon Kara.
Han, beta,
go-
han.
Okay.
Not hon,
Kyoji.
han.
Got it, man. Kyoji Han Kara. Kara. Then Goji Han Made desu ka? Made desu. Made desu. Yes.
Hatarakimasu. Verb दिया है, verb hatarakimasu. Use the
Got it.
verb.
Hatarakimasu.
हाँ,
Yes.
very good. Second one. Raise your hands who wish to answer. Hiru nanji kara nanji made yasumimasu ka? Hi, Bhavna-san.
Juni ji kare Ichi ji made hiru yasumi mas.
Hiru Yasumi नहीं है, सिर्फ Yasumi है. So
Yasumi
Hiru
mas.
is day. So day break कितने बजे से लेके कितने बजे तक है? And it is Kara, not Kare. ये रा है. It is not Re. It is Kara.
Yes. Kara.
हाँ. Third, doyobi hatarakimasu. So doyobi nanji kara nanji made hatarakimasu. So doyobi is Saturday. So Saturday till what time to what time you are working? So answer will be raise your hands. हाँ भावना, go ahead.
Fuji
Hmm.
kara
Hmm.
ni ji made
Hatarakimasu.
hatarakimasu.
Fourth, Mayasa Benkyo Shimasu. 7 to 8. Mayasa nanji kara nanji made Benkyo Shimasu ka? Yes, Bhavna. Okay, Bhavna, wait.
Chichi ji
Okay, Bhavna, wait. Krishna, go ahead. Krishna. हाँ.
CCG Kara
Made. हाँ, Kara, sorry. Go ahead. My
Kara
mistake, sorry. हाँ.
Hachi ji Made Hatara. नहीं, sorry.
बराबर है. Benkyo Shimasu.
Benkyo Shimasu. I sense
Very good, yes. Yeah, very good. Good. Are we clear with the first page, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, each and every one of you,
Yes, ma'am.
sure?
Yes, ma'am.
I think so.
Sam, then Anand San, then Shriram San, then Mukul San. Mukul San, you are very quiet today. Why?
I sense it's,
Kumkum
I
San.
understand.
Perfect. Is everyone clear, right? Okay.
Sensei, I have like
Huh.
one like out of topic it is like in English or like in Hindi as well. Like we use like for half, there is a word for half in Japanese as well. For 15 minutes, we use some like quarter past for 15
Hi.
quarter past 5.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
there
yeah.
any word there in
No.
Japanese?
In
Savat.
Japanese, that is not needed. It's not needed. In Japanese, we don't have quarter. It's like, yeah, I understand quarter to 5, quarter to 6. Yeah, I get that. But it's not needed in Japanese.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Kanika?
Sensei, just quickly, the fourth sentence, the first word, how did you pronounce that? Mayosa?
My asa. My, M-A-I-A-S-A. My asa.
My asa. What does that mean? I just did not get that.
My asa is every morning.
Oh, every morning. My asa. Hi.
And ma'am, starting of the sentence, there is a re. What re stands for, ma'am?
1 second.
Re. Re.
Rei hai wo, Rei. Rei means example.
Example. Okay.
Are we clear, everybody? Page 33.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes.
Let us go to question 5th now. Next page number 34, 56. Now, you simply have to look at the numbers here and simply say, just simply answer with the numbers, okay? Mayasa nanji ni okimasu. Every day, what time do you get up? 7 o'clock. Shichiji ni okimasu. Now this was every day, so okimasaya. Now look at the four words and figure out the tense. Okay. Now, my ban. This is to sleep. Okay. He's sleeping at 11 o'clock. So, my ban nanjini nemaska. Your okimas will not come, but nemas will come. Nemas means to sleep. Nemas means to sleep. Okay. My ban nanjini nemaska. So, the answer will be
Junichi.
Ju ichi ni nemas. Every day I sleep at 11 o'clock. Got it? Question 2, Ashta. Ashta is tomorrow. Again, future tense. So, Ashta, Nanjini, Okimaska, what time do you get up? So, 6:30. So, Roku, ji, han, ni, okimasu. Okay? Third, Konban, every night. Every night, what time do you sleep? So, Konban, Nanji ni, nemaska. So, 12
Ma'am,
o'clock.
Juni.
So,
can
yes, go ahead, go
ma'am,
ahead, go ahead.
can you repeat that second one?
Ashta, okay. Ashta, Nanji ni, okimaska. Roku, ji, han, ni, okimasu. 6:30, I wake up.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Third, Konban.
इसमें
sleep.
ये एक सॉरी एक मिनट, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया ये बोलना कैसे है। पहले
क्या?
6:30 आएगा, फिर सिर्फ मॉर्निंग वाला आज का बोल दो, मतलब आज था।
तनु, आपकी आवाज बहुत ही ब्रेक हो रही है।
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि इसमें ना सिर्फ 6:30 बोलना है ना, बस 6:30 और मॉर्निंग।
नहीं, मॉर्निंग नहीं, 6:30 को उठता हूँ। ओकीमास भी तो बोलना है ना।
ओकीमास और उठने के लिए ना।
हाँ, ओकीमास is to wake up and ओकीमास is to wake up and नेमास is to sleep.
तो इसमें सिर्फ 6:30 बोलना है, और जिसमें उठ रहा है उसमें ओकीमास, और जिसमें स्लिप वाला है उसमें स्लिप वाला यूज होना है बस।
नहीं, आपको वर्ब भी तो डालना है ना। 6:30 को उठता हूँ, वैसे डालना है।
क्या एक बार ही बता दो दोबारा से।
एग्जाम्पल देखो, मायासा नानजी नी ओकीमास का, तो शिचिजी नी ओकीमास। रोज सुबह कितने बजे उठते हो? व्हाट टाइम डू यू वेक अप एवरी डे? 7 o'clock आई वेक अप। कोनबान, एवरी नाइट। कोनबान, नानजी नेमास का, 12 o'clock. So,
Juni,
ji
Jini.
ni नेमास। ओके, नेमास यहाँ पे आएगा।
एक मिनट, ये तो
संडे।
स्लिप वाला हो गया नेमास। उठने वाला बोलना हो तो वो वाला कैसे बोलेंगे?
क्या, किसको क्या बोलना है?
उठने के लिए, वेकअप के लिए।
वेकअप इज ओकीमास।
नहीं,
वो क्या?
ओकीमास के बाद सिर्फ यही वाला पैटर्न फॉलो होगा ना, जो एग्जाम्पल में जो एंड में दे रखा है। एक बार आप सेकंड वाला बोल के दिखा दो, मैं लिख लेती हूँ, फिर मतलब सॉल्व करेंगे तो फिर बाद में पूछूंगी।
माय बान नानजिनी नेमास्का। माय बान, every night what time do you sleep? At 11 o'clock. So, ju ichini nemas.
नहीं, ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है।
इसमें कंफ्यूजन की कोई बात ही नहीं है। ये नेमास इज टू स्लीप एंड ओकीमास इज टू गेट अप। फोटो देखो, ये सोने की फोटो है ना। सो टू स्लीप का वर्ब यूज करना है, वेकअप के लिए वेकअप का वर्ब।
आपने बोला कि वर्ब भी यूज होगी।
अरे मैंने कब बोला कि वर्ब यूज नहीं होगा?
अरे तो वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, आपने बोला कि वर्ब भी यूज होगी, तो मैंने वही तो कहा था कि ओकीमास के बाद यही लिखना है। आपने बोला कि नहीं, इसके बाद भी वर्ब लगेगी।
पर ओकीमास टू वेकअप के लिए ओकीमास है, टू स्लीप के लिए नेमास है।
हाँ, मतलब सिर्फ यही दोनों वर्ड यूज होंगे, इनके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं यूज होगा ना।
नहीं, फिलहाल के लिए नहीं होगा।
ओके।
कौन बात? 12 o'clock.
Juni, Jini.
G. 4. Yeah. Nichiobi, Sunday. Nichiobi, Nanji ni okimasu ka? Juji ni okimasu. Sunday, what time do you wake up? At 10 o'clock. Are we clear with this exercise, everybody?
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Question 6. Now, this will take it might change your verbs, okay? Ashta is tomorrow. Ashta hatarakimasu. So tomorrow I'm working. Simple sentence. Ashta is tomorrow. So tomorrow working. Tomorrow hatarakimasu. Working. Now look at the photo. Now this is study, work. Okay? So my Nichi is every day. So mainichi is every day. So mainichi benkyo shimasu. I'm studying every day because this is every day present continuous tense. Yes, Megha.
Sensei, I'm a little bit confused with shimas and mas. Because I can see some sentences with shimas and some are there with mas. So,
So
what is the difference
shimas.
between these two?
Okay. So no, there is no difference. Shimas is also a verb, and mas is a word which is used at the end of the verb. If you okay, look at your chats. Okay, go to your chats. If you see shimas, you have mas here, she and mas. And if you say hataraki mas, you have mas here also, hataraki mas. So mas which comes, that is at the end of your end of your verb. So whenever you have mas in a word, it means it is a verb. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Ha. So hataraki mas is to work. Okay, and shimas is to do. Now if I write benkyo shimas, that means I am studying. What am I doing? I am studying. So shimas is a very universal verb. Okay, shimas is a very universal verb. बहुत ही universal verb है वो. ठीक है? It will come, it
Okay.
can come before a noun. benkyo is a noun, study is a noun. Noun के पीछे verb लगा दो तो वो पूरा word verb बन जाता है. ठीक है?
Okay, Sensei. Thank you.
Sensei, then can we use
Yes.
hataraki
Yes. हाँ.
shimas? Can we do hataraki shimas
No,
then?
hataraki shimas nahi aa sakta. No, I told you it can only be used before a noun. So if I tell you, Saka is soccer. Saka is soccer. So if I say Saka shimas, it means I'm not doing soccer, but I'm playing soccer. You can play soccer, right? You cannot do soccer. You are playing soccer. So Saka shimas means to play. Again, if I write skiing. So ski shimas. Ski shimas. So this is like I'm skiing. Okay?
Got it. Hi.
Yeah. Yes, Tanu.
Arigato.
Yeah. हाँ Tanu. Tanu. Okay. Okay. Mainichi is every day. So mainichi hatarakimasu. Next. Kino no ban. So kino is what? Yesterday. So yesterday night. Kino is yesterday, everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yesterday evening.
ma'am.
Yesterday evening.
Kino is yesterday. Correct. So we are talking about yesterday. So here your tense will change. So kino no ban hataraki mashita. Perfect. Kino no ban hataraki mashita. Why? Because we are talking about yesterday night. Yesterday night I was working. I worked. Okay? Clear everybody?
Hey.
Yes, ma'am.
Asate. Yes. What is asate? Day after tomorrow. So asate benkyo shimasu. I'm going to study day after tomorrow. Okay? Ototoi, day before yesterday. Again past. So ototoi hataraki mashita.
Mashita.
Yes. Clear everybody? Did you guys understand why those words are important?
Sure.
Because those words are determining your tenses. Okay? Chalo.
Hi.
Question 7. Now this is very easy. Yes, Krishna.
सेंसे जो शीमास और मास, शीमास तो नाउन के साथ आएगा एंड
हाँ.
मास वर्ब के साथ आएगा.
Yeah, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Shimas standalone is also a verb only. But shimas
Okay.
मतलब to do. Now it is a very universal verb. आपको कुछ भी करना है तो shimas डाल दो पीछे. Noun के बाद shimas डाल दो. Say for example अगर आपको soccer खेलना है, so saka shimas, you are playing soccer. Ski shimas, you are doing skiing कर रहे हो आप. ठीक है?
हाय सेंसे.
हाँ, yeah. Yes, Tanu.
सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, शीमास वाला मतलब ये क्या है? शीमास हर जगह लगता है, तभी
शिमास
मतलब
एक वर्ब ही
नेसेसरी
है.
है।
एक नो, शिमास इज अ वर्ब ओनली, बट ज्यादातर शिमास कम्स बिफोर अ नाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल सॉकर, साका शिमास, टू प्ले सॉकर. स्की शिमास, दैट आई एम डूइंग स्की, मैं स्कीइंग कर रही हूँ. ओके, क्वेश्चन 7. यस आनंद.
Yeah, I have a doubt
और एक
in
चीज,
the second question. Kino no ban. So,
Kino no
like,
ban,
why is the
yes.
why is the particle no is used here?
Why is the particle ni used?
No, no.
So
Kino
हम किसकी
no.
बात? Okay, kino no ban. So we are talking about yesterday's night, no?
Yeah,
कल की रात. So रात किसको belong कर रही है? कल की रात. Yesterday's night.
yesterday's.
Yesterday's night.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Kino
Yeah,
no
I got
ban.
it.
Yesterday's
Yeah.
night. Clear?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, clear,
Okay.
clear.
Yes, perfect. Okay. Question 7th, everybody. Kino benkyo shimasu ka? Hi. Hi, benkyo shimasu. Now, make sure that you are looking at the words and understanding the meaning very carefully, because this exercise is introducing you past negative tense. Okay, why past negative? We will see here. Kino benkyo shimashitaka. So yesterday, did you worked? Kino is yesterday. So kino, did you worked? No. Iye benkyo shimasen deshita. I did not negative, worked past. I did not work. Did you got it? Sorry, I did not study. Nobody is correcting me. Benkyo shimashitaka. I did not study yesterday. Did not study yesterday. So past negative. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
No.
No?
ऐसे आप रिपीट कर दो एक और बार.
Yes, Sensei.
Repeat. Okay.
Please
Yeah.
repeat.
So this exercise is introducing past negative. Now, what is the definition of past negative? Something which you have not done in the past. Negative मतलब not done. पढ़ाई नहीं की थी जब मैम ने 3 दिन छुट्टी दी थी, और वो कब था? पास्ट में. So you guys did not study in the past. Correct? So this is the same example. Kino benkyo shimashita ka. Did you study yesterday? Did you studied yesterday? No. No, I did not study yesterday. So did not study will become your negative. Yesterday, did not study yesterday becomes your past. So masen deshta. Benkyo shimasen deshta. Did not study yesterday. Clear?
हाय सेंसर.
और आप तो कहा था ना कि
Yes.
वो मसेन जो करके जो रखता है, जी मारिया सेन, वो भी तो
क्या
यूज
क्या?
होता है ना.
जी मासन है ही नहीं. क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
मैम
आपने एक वर्ड
जहाज
बताया था,
मासिन की बात कर रही है वो.
जारी मासेन नेगेटिव के लिए. हाँ,
वो जहां मासन
वो
नाउन्स के लिए आता है,
वो
यहाँ पे
नाउन
नहीं
के
आता है.
लिए.
Correct.
वो भी
Jha
नेगेटिव
Arimasen is for
होता है ना.
nouns. Jha Arimasen is negative, you are correct, but that is for nouns. Masen dashta is used for your verbs. Preferably
इतनी
जब आपको
confusion
कोई
है.
specific time period दिया है तब आता है. Okay?
So, Sensei, it will be, the sentence will be, I did not study yesterday. Watashi wa benkyushe masen deshita.
Correct. So you add kino, no? So watashi wa kino benkyou shimasen dashita. So I did not study yesterday.
Kino.
Now see, like I told you, if you translate from English to Japanese, your grammar words will be here and there. But if you're going to translate in Hindi, हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करोगे तो वर्ड टू वर्ड आएगा. मैंने कल पढ़ाई नहीं की. वाताशी वा किनो बेंक्यो शिमासेन देशता. मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं, मैंने yesterday पढ़ाई नहीं की. Can you see word to word it is coming? Your sentence is getting framed word to word.
Perfect. Hi.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question 7 first. Asate hataraki masu ka? Iye. Who can answer? Whoever can answer this, I will मैं आपको चॉकलेट कुरियर करूंगी मेरे घर से। हाँ कृष्णा।
सॉरी, इए हाताराकी माशी हाताराकी मा हाताराकी वता भूल गया ये
अब नहीं भेजूंगी चॉकलेट।
मासेन देशिता
हाताराकी मासेन देशिता।
हाताराकी मासेन
हाँ,
देशिता.
हाताराकी मासेन देशिता.
Yes, Shabina.
No, I actually raised one answer.
Yeah, so you want to answer?
Yeah, the first one is done, right?
No, the first one. You want to answer the first one?
Okay. Asate, which is day after tomorrow, which is in the future. So it is Hataraki Mas, what is that? Maska. So the answer should be EA Hataraki Masten. There's no Deshita because it's not in the past, it's in the future. It would
So
be
your final answer will be Hataraki.
Masen.
Sure?
Mashita.
Shibina, you are absolutely correct. Hataraki Masen. Why Mashta? Arey, asakte hai. So it is day after tomorrow. She's right. The way she told she was splitting the sentence was absolutely right. Asate is day after tomorrow. That means it is future tense. So forget about your past. Forget about your past negative. Come to negative now. Why? Because your यहाँ पे bracket में it is given EA. That is no. So asate hataraki masen hataraki maska EA hataraki masen. Are you working day after tomorrow? No, I'm not working. Full stop.
Okay, got it now.
Very, very nicely done, Shibina. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
Maiban, Benkyo Shimaska. Hi. What is Maiban? I told you to concentrate on the words here. Because these words and this yes and no is going to determine your tense. I gave you guys the hint. Chalo, no problem. Maiban, every day. Benkyo Shimaska. Yes, so it's a positive answer. So the tense remains as it is. Yes, I study every day. So hi, Maiban. Hi, Benkyo Shimasu. Simple. Hi, Benkyo Shimasu.
Hi, sir.
Third, Kino no ban Benkyo Shimashitaka. Here already they have given you mashita. Why? Because we are talking about yesterday night. Kino no ban Benkyo Shimashitaka. Hi. So your answer will be. Did you study yesterday night? Yes, I studied. So hi, Benkyo Shimashita. Got it? Everybody?
अरे पर आपने तो बोला था कि नेगेटिव बदलना है।
नेगेटिव नहीं बदलना है, आपको वर्ड देखना है और फिर देखना है कि कौन सा टेंस आएगा।
अभी तो आप ऊपर नेगेटिव बता रहे थे, तो कंफ्यूजन हो रही है ऐसे तो बहुत ज्यादा।
दैट मींस आपने वो कैप्स पढ़े ही नहीं है आज के लिए।
मैंने वो कैप्स नहीं पढ़े, वो बात ठीक है, पर आपने ये बोला था अभी ऊपर की नेगेटिव।
नेगेटिव नहीं, मैंने नेगेटिव नहीं बोला था, मैंने बोला था कि लुक एट दीज वर्ड्स विल डिटरमाइन योर टेंसेस। मैंने नेगेटिव कब बोला? मैंने नेगेटिव नहीं बोला है।
अभी इसमें क्या करना है? मैं इनको
ब्रैकेट में दिया है ना, वो पूछ रहे हैं वो।
अरे वो पूछ रहे हैं कि ये पास्ट में या प्रेजेंट में है, उसके साथ वर्ब लगानी है।
जैसे ही थर्ड वाला है तो इसमें ब्रैकेट में तो
Kino no, now listen Tanu, listen to me. Kino no ban Benkyo Shimashita. Kino no ban means yesterday night. Okay? So yesterday night आपने पढ़ाई की थी क्या? आपको क्वेश्चन ये पूछा गया है. You are asked this question that yesterday night did you study? Question mark. आपने पढ़ाई की थी क्या? तो आपने जवाब दिया हाँ, मैंने पढ़ाई की थी. So hi, Benkyo Shimashita. हाँ, की थी. Past tense हुआ ना, so mashta आएगा. Benkyo shimashita. Now, if you look at here, EA वाले में, EA में negative क्यों आएगा? Because यहाँ पे आसाते, it is your future tense. Future tense में your tense remains as टेक्निकली योर टेंस रिमेन्स एज इट इज, बट यहाँ पे आपको ईए दिया है. सो क्या पूछा गया है आपको? डे आफ्टर टुमारो आप काम कर रही हो क्या? नहीं, आप नहीं कर रही हो. सो नेगेटिव आएगा ना. सो हाताराकी मासेन. क्लियर हुआ?
ओके.
क्लियर हुआ आपका डाउट?
ओके, बाकी एक बार मैं खुद से करके ट्राई करूंगी.
See, Sensei, are you referring to the fourth one right now?
No, I was explaining the first and third one again.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay, then
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah. Fourth. Kino hataraki mashitaka iie. Kino is what? Yesterday. Can anyone tell me this?
Hi,
Take your
Sensei.
time, think.
iie
Take your time, think. हाँ.
iie hataraki
Hataraki.
masen
Mas-
deshita.
Madhya-
Yeah,
Masen
Masen
Desai.
Deshta.
Masen deshta. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Clear हुआ सबको?
Hi, Sensei.
Are we
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
everybody?
Hi,
Hi,
Sensei.
Okay. Question 8. Mayasa okima 6. This is very easy. Wherever you have two, it will be kara made. Wherever you have single, it will be ni okimas or ni nemas and kara made. Okay. Mayasa okimas. So mayasa nanji ni okimas ka. Every morning, what time do you wake up? Rokuji ni okimas, 6 o'clock. Kino. Kino hatarakimasu. Kino nanji kara nanji made hatarakimashita ka. So yesterday, what time? From what time to what time did you work? 9 to 5, I worked. Again, these words are determining your tenses. Do you want to try this as homework, everybody?
Hi, Sensei. What do we need to do?
Homework. Question 8.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, so we are not doing anything today. We are going to stop here.
Thank you.
We are going to do this Renshu C in the next class, the reading part. So make sure that if any one of you have time, make sure you are translating the words or the meaning so that you can read it fast in the tomorrow's class. So make sure you're doing that. Okay. Question 8 will be homework. So I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
continuing. Tell me any doubts you guys are having for this chapter.
Ma'am, what Renshu stands for?
What? Renshu exercise.
Stands for exercise. Okay.
Or section. Huh. Any other doubts anyone is having?
मैम
हाँ.
हम जो वर्ड्स हमें जापानीज में आते हैं हम क्लास में यूज कर सकते हैं.
जो वर्ड्स आपको
जापानीज हम सीख रहे हैं उन वर्ड्स को
हाँ.
हम क्लास में रिपीट कर सकते हैं ताकि हमें पता चले सही है या गलत.
Yeah, go ahead. Whatever you feel you do. Bindas.
हैंडसम vocab को फास्ट कैसे लर्न कर सकते हैं क्योंकि अगर
Read every single day. Like I told you, आपके day to day life में make sure that you are using vocabs. Say for example, अगर book नहीं मिल रही है तो अपने आप को ही पूछो, oh where is the horn, where is my horn, where is my kaban. जो भी आपको vocabs याद है, use in your day to day life. That is how you are going to that is how you are going to remember the vocabs. No doubts? कोई doubts है? I'm assuming no doubts. Okay then. Let us stop for today, everyone. Tomorrow we are going to complete this chapter and we are going to start new chapter. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
होगा थोड़ा
मैम
ज्यादा.
आपने असाइनमेंट दिया था काउंटिंग का वो मैं आपको शो कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ करिए, शो करिए, no problem. Yes, go ahead.
Hi, Sensei.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one question. That means we are
हाँ
using Made this. This is okay hai in is RM. Made means actually
कारा is from, मादे is up to,
okay,
up
ma'am.
to,
Up.
हाँ
ठीक है मैम.
up to, from, up to और up till.
Okay. जी.
हाँ
Thank you.
भावना शैडो आ रहा है.
Okay.
आपको कांजीज भी आती है?
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
वेरी गुड. हाँ हाँ आपकी आवाज कट हो रही है.
Ma'am,
Anyone
is
who
it
wish
right?
to honestly भावना बहुत ही शैडो आ रही है. Can you share it on the students portal? I can check it. फोटो भेज के डाल दो उसमें. I will check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Anyone has any doubts?
Sensei, I have a doubt.
हाँ
सेंसर जैसे हम ये अभी कर रहे हैं, जैसे हम क्वेश्चन आप मतलब अभी तो हम क्वेश्चन बुक में से देख के बोल रहे हैं,
हाँ
इसलिए हमें पता है आंसर उसका क्या होगा. मतलब जैसे
हाँ
हम रीडिंग से कर लेते हैं ना,
हाँ
तो मैम हम इसे कैसे बोलेंगे? मतलब हमारे माइंड में ही कैसे आएगा कि हमें यही बोलना है? अभी तो हम देख देख के बस मतलब ऊपर से देख रहे हैं, नीचे से लिख रहे हैं. अभी तो ये वाला काम हो रहा है.
तो अभी so what you're supposed to do is, no, after we complete the chapters, you are actually supposed to go back, solve the chapter, read it, and then get yourself prepared. आपको अपने आप को ऐसे prepare करना है. Got it?
Okay.
You have to read the chapter once. So आपको once we complete the chapter, no, तो आपको ये सब कुछ read करना है. You have to keep on reading this every day. You read this page every single day. You read vocabulary every single day. You read Kaiwa. Kaiwa आपको इतना by heart करना है कि that you can even close your eyes and you can read the sentences. I mean इतना मगब आपको करना है ना ये कि आपको तुरंत click हो जाए ऐसे. You have to keep on reading them. You have to keep on reading them. Reading, how can you improve your reading? By keep on reading it every single day. Every day you have to read. Every single day. Every single day you have to revise your vocabs. Okay?
हाय सेंसर.
Yes,
सेंसर
sir.
अभी
हाँ हाँ हाँ
सेंसर
बोलो.
जैसे
Yeah.
अभी तो वो कैप्स बहुत कम है, लेकिन आगे जाके बहुत सारे होंगे, तो हम डेली कैसे रीड करेंगे उसे?
अभी वो आपके ऊपर है ना. How are you like dividing? अभी स्टार्टिंग के चैप्टर्स अगर आपको एकदम अच्छे से याद है, then you can simply just go through them. And आगे के chapters आप by heart करो. So I have a habit of writing and by hearting. So I have to write and I have to by heart. I cannot read and I by heart. There are many people who can read and by heart. So वो कर सकते हो आप.
हाय हाय सेंसर.
Sensei,
हाँ
Sensei, I have a small request.
Yeah.
The PDF when I take a printout is too light for me to read somehow. So which is the book, the exact version of the book that I can buy? Just hoping that uska text will be in darker ink, so it'll be easier for me to read because it's hard
you
for me to read.
can ask your